Welcome back everyone to the AI children's book creator and illustrator. This app is from generate.net. Will let you create an entire storybook, including images, text on the images and everything. For those who already know, I'm just here to show you a new update, which is the ability to modify images that were already generated. And now you'll be able to just simply tell the AI what you want to change in the image, and it will do just that for you. So let's test it right now. To change an image, click on Modify, Download, New. You can edit your images. You can either download the image by pressing this, or find and replace from the image using text alone by pressing this button. I'm going to press it right now, and what I want to actually remove this lady from the image. So let's click on that. Find and replace. So it will take me to a page where I can then decide what I want to find and replace. So you change any image with just text. You don't have to actually click on anything. You just say find the woman and replace it with nothing. And then what will happen is, hopefully anyway, is this woman will then disappear from the image, and that will make this image much more appropriate for my story. Because in this story, the woman, Rachel, dies, and I don't need a woman in the background at all, for that matter. So let's hope that this works. Oh, look, it's created a man for me, which is not the result I wanted at all. Find the woman and replace it with nothing. Let's just try it again and hope that this time it will actually do the job. It won't actually edit your story unless you click this button here. So you don't have to worry if this kind of result occurs for you. You just have to try again. And once you... Oh, this is crazy. It is now turned around, this guy. Replace with, let's say, flower. Let's just try something else. So this obviously is going to take some fiddling with to get right, as you can see. But the idea is that you can take someone out of the image and replace it with someone else. So this actually didn't say Rachel here before. This said something else like Pixar or something like that. So I typed here text and typed Rachel, and then it replaced the text to Rachel, which actually worked. So here we go. Now this is a perfect image for my story. I could use this. I'm going to click on Save to my story, and then your image has been saved. You can now close this page. Let's go back to our story and see, and there we go. Now there is no longer a woman standing over here, and what that means is that I don't have to regenerate this image many times over. Additionally, let's see another image over here. This cross over here, I want to get rid of it and instead put a star. So let's try again and see if this works better this time. Let's hope for some easy success. Find the cross, replace with a star. Let's see if that works. Let's give it a few seconds. There we go. That's much better for my purposes. I also just realized that I need to remove these characters, but I can leave them for now. Let's click on Save to my story and go back to our story and just see if this has actually worked. And there we go. So it's worked on both images. So as you can see, this has now been changed to a flower, and this has been changed to a star. And that's all for now. That's all for this video. And if you need to download any image, maybe for use for the cover of the book, you just click on Modify, Download, click on Download, and that will download this image from you directly from this page. Keep an eye out, because we're going to be updating here to give you the ability to use a brush and replace tool, which is not basically using text. And just keep an eye out for this functionality. We'll probably make a video for that as well. If you like this video and it provided value to you, make sure you subscribe, because this is going to be the ultimate children's book creator, and so you don't want to miss any updates that we do to it. We update it regularly. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.